In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticker outline in Canva. This process is straightforward and can be completed in a few minutes, even if you're a beginner. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by setting up the right dimensions for your sticker. Open Canva and locate the custom size option, which is typically on the home page. Instead of using pixels, which is the default unit, click on the option and switch it to inches. Now you'll need to set the width and height to 3 inches each, creating a perfect square for your sticker design. Once you have the right dimensions inputted, click on Create New Design. This will open a blank canvas perfectly sized at 3 by 3 inches, ready for your creativity. Next, it's time to incorporate elements into your design. Look over to the left hand side of your screen and click on Elements. Here you'll find a variety of creative assets to enhance your design. To narrow your options down, click on Graphics to exclusively see graphic elements. All you have to do is find a graphic you like and simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. The next part is where we add the fun sticker outline. To do this, click on the element you've placed on your canvas. Look for the Edit option, which will allow you to modify how your graphic appears. From Edit, you need to select Shadows, and under this menu, you'll find Outline. Clicking on Outline will apply an automatic border around your graphic. You also have the freedom to personalize this outline further. Under the outline settings, you can alter the color by clicking on the color icon and selecting from the available palette. Feel free to experiment until you find the shade that complements your design perfectly. You can also adjust the thickness of the outline using a slider. Drag it left or right to make the border as thin or as thick as you desire. Now that your sticker design is complete and you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time to save it. Click on Share, which is generally located at the top right corner, and then Download. If you want a transparent background for your sticker, ensure you select the transparent background option. However, note that this option is available only if you're using Canva Pro. Finally, hit download one more time to save your design onto your computer, and there you have it. You've successfully created a custom sticker outline using Canva, ready to print or use digitally. Thanks for watching and happy designing.